First off, gather 2 large potatoes, about 1 pound. Peel and cube them, then boil them in salted water with 1 teaspoon of salt until tender. Once cooked, drain the water and mash the potatoes. Go ahead and season this with 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon onion powder, and 1 tablespoon chopped coriander. Mix well to ensure all the flavors meld together. While the potatoes are cooling, shift your focus to the shrimp. In a pan heated over medium heat, cook 1 pound of shrimp until they turn into an enticing pink hue. Next, incorporate 1 teaspoon ginger paste, 1 teaspoon garlic paste, 1/2 teaspoon of chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, and 1/2 teaspoon salt into the pan. Allow the mixture to cook for a few minutes, then take it off the heat and leave it to cool. Once cooled, chop the shrimp and blend it with 1 tablespoon of freshly chopped coriander. Now grab a little spoonful of your seasoned mashed potato and spread it out on your palm of your hand. Proceed to place a dollop of the shrimp mixture smack in the middle and then wrap the potato around it. Continue doing this until your potato and shrimp mixture has been used. Following that, roll each of the potato shrimp balls in 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour, making sure it's evenly covered all over. Get 2 cups of oil heating in a deep frying pan or pot over medium-high heat. As soon as the oil gets hot, go ahead and carefully drop the potato shrimp balls into the pot in batches and fry until they achieve a gorgeous golden hue. This process should take around 3 to 4 minutes. Grab a slotted spoon to fish out the fried potato shrimp balls and let them drain on paper towels to soak up any remaining oil. Serve these deep fried potato shrimp balls hot with your favorite dipping or chutney. If you enjoyed today's video, please comment below. New videos are uploaded daily. Thank you for watching.